Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I've got my Traxxas Stampede 2-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Stampede Project. Now I just finished up doing a speed test with this thing running the high speed gearing. If you want to check out that video I will leave a card in the corner. But since I still have plenty of battery left, I left the 2-cell LiPo in and we're just going to bash it around and see what it's like bashing around with the high-speed gearing. Now, in the notes for the optional gearing, it says that Traxxas does not recommend running the high-speed gearing for bashing, just for high-speed on hard surface. But we're going to bash it. So we'll see if we have any overheating issues or limp mode issues. Maybe we'll fry the electronics, who's to say. But worst case scenario, if that happens, we'll just upgrade it to something better. If it's going to overheat, it could overheat in the grass. Grass is pretty thick right now. Let's take her down. This is also a very big hill. It's very hard to tell. She's getting slowed down quite a bit in the grass. Bring her back. I mean, it's still getting a move on though. But once to pull a wheelie up the hill, I have to side hill it. You know what we need? We need a launch. Now, it's hard to go full throttle with this thing because of the weight bias all being on the back and the motor being so far back and the transmission being so far back and so low. This thing's made to be a wheelie machine. So, I'll show you what it's like to do full throttle, but it might end up on its lid. We will see. That was full throttle launch right there. So, you kind of have to modulate the throttle a little bit. Otherwise, she's going to end up flipped over. So, let's try that again. Ready, get set, go. Yeah, I can't get the power down. Let's work our way over this way. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you have yet to do so. You know, I think we should get a launch on dirt over here. Are you guys ready? Get set, go. Actually wasn't too bad. Bring her back, we'll do a flyby over some rough terrain here, and I am pinned. Alright, let's go find some other stuff to tear up. She still gets a move on, like it's not slow. It's enough speed to have fun. That really is, that's enough speed to have fun. Now, it's not a speed demon. So now the question is, how will the electronics hold up bashing around in tall grass? Or not tall, but thick grass. Because this is, aside from maybe going in mud or snow, this is about the most strain you're going to put on a power system is running through, you know, tall or thick grass. And I've just been pinned this entire time. So pinned the entire time. We're probably approaching close to 10 minutes that I've been running it. And the battery was already a little bit drained since I had just gotten done doing the speed test. It's a 5200 milliamp 2-cell with a 50C discharge rate. Oh, I thought I flipped it. We're good. Around that tree over there. And I ran into it. Ran into it again. There. Around the far tree. Almost bumped that tree, and we're around it. And there, it cut our power. So either we hit low voltage mode or it hit a temperature mode. Actually, let's check right up under here under the shelter. But we got a good 10 to 12 minutes in, and that was a pack that I had already done probably 4 or 5 speed passes up on the road. So that's not a bad amount of time. Let's see, was it low voltage mode? I know slow red blink should signify low voltage mode. I think overheating or thermal protection mode is fast red blink. And it is a slow red blink. So like I said, slow red blink signifies low voltage protection, or low voltage detection I should say. Overall, did pretty good. Motor hot. ESC, yeah, not terrible. I can keep my fingers on the ESC. Motor, not a good idea. That's hot. Alrighty guys, so we got a good probably 10 to 12 minutes of bashing when this battery was already probably a quarter of the way used up. So, and that's in thick grass. So, and it never hit any temperature mode issue. And it is fairly warm today. So, at least for the first test, no issues with running the high-speed gearing and trying to bash. But if you did enjoy this video, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell, and stay tuned for future videos because I think we're going to have upgrades to come very soon on this machine. So, thanks for watching. See you later.